Look at the silly kitty. He's got to have a pillow. That's Tiger. Look at you. You're laying on the baby's toy. Yeah, you are. Yeah. Hey everyone. So we ended up, me and Alicia went and picked up Angel and Davy early from school.
Hey, name is not Davy. His name is Mr. Butt.
No, that's not
My
nice.
name is Mario. My name is Pappy.
They're playing with the tape. They keep covering the mouse. And now we're just here at Gabby's school. We're going to pick up Gabby a little bit early. It's only like, what time is it? 2:30. So it's a half hour early. Silly. So, 2 weeks of school left, eh guys? Are you excited?
Yeah. Yay! Back to the bone.
Yeah.
Back to the bone.
Yep. So I had a couple of appointments today. I went and I did. I got another appointment later, and then.
Can we come?
Oh, I don't know. And then tomorrow I have 2 appointments.
Can I come tomorrow?
And then possibly one on Friday. Try to get everything done so once they're not in school, we don't gotta do a lot. No, not right now.
When they're gonna cut off her jiggle?
Oh, don't worry about it. I have to. No, she's talking about my arms because they jiggle.
Show them.
No, I'm not showing them.
Now.
No way.
Right now.
No, I'm not showing the jiggle. So I had told them I was gonna go to the doctor's and make an appointment to go have the jiggles taken off.
But when?
Oh, that won't be for a long time, honey.
When you get your own baby out?
I don't have no baby. I'm not having no more babies. No more babies for Mama. 4 is enough.
No, 5 is 10,000.
No, 4 is enough.
No, you need 10,000.
No, mummies can't have no more babies.
Why?
Because the doctor fixed my belly so I can't have no more babies.
Why?
Because Mommy's getting older now. And then Mommy's got you guys, and then I've got now 3 grandchildren. Trust me, I don't need no more babies. No, is that it? Gabby? No. Yep, yep. But they're going back in. They must have... Oh. She must have forgot something. I wonder what they're doing. Okay,
Guys,
so...
we're playing this game.
It's got
Green
Velcro.
means 200 and pink means 100.
Oh, so which color do you want to try to catch it on?
Green.
Green.
I mean,
So
pink is the less, so, wait, 200 is, like, close to 100, so, pink is 20.
So you got one, and Angel's got one, and there is 1 ball. Here you go. So you're going to throw the ball and try to catch it with this, okay?
No.
Yes, that's how you play it. What do you think you're trying to do?
Green.
Silly. Okay, you both go over in the grass, but not too far away, because...
That's just a practice.
Well, yeah.
Oh, Adrian.
Okay, wait. Well, you got to put it on your hands.
This?
Yeah.
Yes. I'm used to right. Actually, I'm better at throwing with right, so... Get this? Nope.
Well, you gotta try to catch it, Angel.
Will you throw it to mine?
Okay, throw it to Davy. Whoa! Now listen, if you turn them around and put them on the on the bottom of your hand, like that, yeah.
Like this.
No, like Davy. Turn your hand around, yeah. There you go. There you go.
Angel wasn't ready, so I get a read.
Just try. Just play. No, you gotta then throw it. Yeah, throw it with your left hand. Awesome.
She got
Oh, David's decided to catch with his left hand and throw with his right hand. David, you're supposed to catch. David, why don't you put it on your other hand and throw it with your left hand?
Well, do I have 40 points?
I don't know, because you totally missed that one. You tried to catch it with the other hand.
Angel gave me 220.
Well, we don't need to play for points.
So Angel has 40 and I have 20. Angel, get ready.
Angel, get ready.
I got a pink. Wait, I want to try for.
Angel, are you ready?
Wait. Mom, can you grab that
Holy.
and throw it? It's tight.
Okay, Angel, come on. That's good.
I'm gonna catch with my left.
All right, she's ready. You gotta move it around to try to capture it. Yeah. Back up a little bit if she's gonna throw farther. Okay, Angel, you stay on the grass.
That's okay.
Move down more that way. Angel, move this way closer more on the grass, please.
You stand at the edge.
Back up a little bit, Angel. Go more into the grass.
There.
More. All right.
Back up.
Whoa.
She has 40. Half. I'm just trying to get.
Yeah.
I missed. It went like.
You know what? The points, if she catches it, those points aren't yours. Those points are hers.
I have 40.
And then when you catch it, those points are yours. Because if she doesn't catch it, then you're not getting any points. So do it when you catch it, the points are yours. Okay.
And we both have 40.
Whoa, that one bounced straight off.
If I get, like, to David, I get a point? No, I get
No, only when you catch it.
Oh. Ow. Boing. I cheated!
Okay.
Wait, not ready. I'm practicing. What's wrong? Ready? I hit my leg.
No, come on.
Yeah, you're cheating! Stinky.
David.
That's a good one.
Well, they didn't even make it to her. Not so hard, not so hard. Yep, not so hard, because then it just bounces off. Oh, next time you gotta raise your hand, try to catch it.
It's slippery. I don't like it.
Well, you gotta move your hand to try to catch it.
Okay.
Not so hard, Angel.
And Mom, can they see me?
Okay, pay attention.
I don't like him. He's a stinky rat. I mean, he's a good boy.
Throw it underhand. Throw it like this. Yes. David, not so far.
Don't, and it's hitting a person's arm. This is pretty easy.
Come on, Angel.
We both have 40.
She gets so distracted.
Angel, throw it.
Underhand next time, yep. Like, yeah.
Not so hard.
Catch it. Almost.
Do it. Do it like this.
I know.
I don't have to.
It's okay, David. You throw it underhand.
I would have got that point. Angel, get ready. Wait. No.
Oh, almost.
I'll get it. Turn around, I'm gonna ready that school. Why? Do this.
Okay, just leave it. I'm coming. Davy,
But it's coming back.
I'll get it. Let me look.
I get it.
Stop. Get David, get off that road.
Good.
Angel, go ahead.
Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe. Hit that notification. If you hear thumbs up.
I hope yous liked our video.
TV, let's go play. I got a point almost. I got a point.
Silly.
She actually made it.
Oh, you caught it.
I got 100 points.
See, when you guys throw them nice, it's easier to catch. Okay. Yeah. That's too high for her, David.
No, it went like.
No, that's way too high for her.
Did I go? Wait, did it go over Chris's car? That's a good throw.
Not too high. Ooh, almost. Yeah, it bounced. Ooh, almost.
I keep forgetting.
Too far.
Yes, I get to stand here.
David.
That's pretty. Got my nuts. No, it hit your stomach. Yeah.
Angel, you're a girl.
What? Not to me, then. Rematch.